Hi everyone, welcome to the Academy of Code. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your BandLab account. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your preferred browser. I'm going to be going on Google Chrome. Once it has loaded, I'm going to type BandLab in the search bar. The next thing I'm going to do is go to BandLab Make Music Online. You can also go to www.bandlab.com. I'm going to click on this, and once the homepage is loaded, you will see a sign up in the right hand corner. I'm going to click on that. It will ask you a few questions before you create your account, like what is your name, a preferred email address to use, and a password. Once you do that, you're going to click the sign up button, and it will start to ask you about your profile and a few questions. Don't worry about your profile, you don't need an image, and you don't have to worry about your username as well. If you'd like to give yourself a username, that is no problem, but for this video, I'm just going to click continue. The next thing I'm going to do is click continue on this as well. It's just asking us what music journey we are on. We don't need to reference this, and we can do so later if we want. So I'm going to click continue again. It'll ask us to tell you more about yourself. You can just say other and continue once again. If you'd like to pick your favorite genres, that is no problem, but you can also just say other and say next again. You will notice it opens into what appears to be like a social media platform. This is just other people creating their music if you want to say hello to your favorite artists. But what we're going to be using this for is this create button. Once you click on that, you will be able to get into your BandLab controls where we can start create music. So you can browse your samples, you can go back to your exit, and now here's new projects. All the projects that you've had will be going here. And this is how we set up our account for our BandLab.